Big up Chronixx. I see you put out a new album called Exile. And there are mixed reactions to the album.
Product is not dependent on how many people is there to buy it. My product is dependent on the quality of that product. So if it take me 15 years to make something that is good, people just gonna have to wait.
Chronixx's second studio album, Exile, is finally here. As a brand, is a sage. His entire platform has been about knowledge and wisdom.
Hey, me say Chronixx drop a album there. It's like a Hiroshima bomb, the man drop on reggae, brother.
Yes, my people. Welcome back. Welcome all the subscribers and viewers. Big up in yourself. Yeah, man. And welcome to Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yeah, man. Today we are talking about Chronixx. Chronixx put out a new album. And I tell you, some people are thought down and some people love it. Yes. But I tell you, from my opinion, it's good. It's a different frequency. You kind of slow down the thing. Yes. Slow down the pace. Some people brain not really go can slow down so fast, but soon and soon it will take on to them and slow them down gradually. So till them get to it. Because a message will really send. A good message. Believe me. And the message and the rhythm and the speed, everything about it good. So today, we have Chronixx. I speak something off my mind. Him can speak it best. Yes? And we have Shakin Murray. I talk for him side. And some rest of fans. Where I talk for them idea about this album. Yes. The album good and very good. Yeah, man. Some people not gonna like it, but if you can just slow down and go back in time and check it out and relive again, you will find out, say, it's shocking. Believe me. Yeah, man. So anyway, first we are gonna hear what Shakin Murray have to say. Yes, my peeps. So check out Shakin Murray. Boom.
Chronixx. I see you put out a new album called Exile. And there are mixed reactions to the album. Everyone draw their own opinions, which everyone is entitled to. But my opinion is that I listen to the album and I love it. It's a good album. I love the authenticity of the album, the authentic music and the culture and the messages that Chronixx is conveying in the music. So right now, I overheard people say, oh, the album no pass chronology and this and that and that, but chronology and Exile are two different albums, and you can't expect say both albums are sound the same. I expect say maybe this are sound better. Maybe it not sound better to you, but maybe it sound better to other people, or maybe other people find both of them great. So when me I say now, out of the Jamaican diaspora, these are the type of music people love in a Europe, in a Africa, in a New Zealand, in a Australia, South America. You saw me I try to say because me notice that most of us Jamaicans, if the song me I say, shoot out your brother Amara, gunshot, or underneath that y'all there. And then you hear them say, bad song, the bad artist, that young real artist there. From the music, authentic, reggae, smooth and slow and rootical. Enough I wanna find them thing there boring. And I want to make you know, say, Chronixx, welcome forward to the front line and congratulations for your new album. Seeing and wish the eye all the best. And I feel like this album is going to do well, because I know, say, the outer world are going to gravitate to the album of Chronixx. And when we really study the vibration of the album where Chronixx put out, it has shown me, say, Chronixx have greater things in store. Forward, this is like an entry. Because, Chronixx, it's like he was in exile. Yeah, long time when I hear from him. Everybody did ask, where Chronixx there? Even me did ask, Chronixx, yo, who want the eye forward out on the scene? Now the eye forward out of exile. Scene? So big up yourself, Chronixx. Yeah, man, I love the album, and many people out there love the album. And the album I go creep up, It a go creep up. I don't know, say some music stay. It creep up. See? So all of the people them who have negative comments towards Chronixx new album, nothing against the item, the item opinion. See? But I find the album great. It's a great album. Rastafari. Keep up the good works, Chronixx. Right, so. Me, Shocking Murray said that.
Yes, my peeps. You know Shocking Murray or Shocking Murray. If him not nothing good to say, him not say nothing. Yes, my peeps. Real Rasta man. I watch him for a long while and him no messed up on him words. Yes. And him level scale equally. Always. So big up on yourself, my people. Yeah, man. We are going to hear what Chronixx have to say. Yes. And then we hear what them fans them have to say. And then we check back with you. Boom, my people. Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Anything you have to say, just comment and tell me. No feel no here. Yeah, man. Boom.
My product is not dependent on how many people is here to buy it. My product is dependent on the quality of that product. So if it take me 15 years to make something that is good, people just gonna have to wait, because I prefer that than give you something where I prefer that than sell 2 million copies and then the 2 million people who buy it say, boy, it wasn't so nice. You know what I mean? And even deeper than that, even after the 2 million, even before the 2 million people get it, I have to love it first. You know, it have to feel like an album that I would go and buy. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man.
Yes, my peeps. There. Not gone away. Yeah, man. And Chronixx is a man with a different vibes. A different frequency. You know, see it? Yeah, man. And you have to just love him or him stay. Accept him as who him is. Yeah, man. Him not rush for the hype. Him not rush for the spotlight. Him a keep it on a level. On a real true level. On a him. Just let him be true to himself. Yes? And as him not fake it, I'm not punk it. For him, Pick up yourself, my peeps. Here, him fans have to say.
Chronixx's second studio album, Exile, is finally here. And I've been seeing a lot of opinions, a lot of comparisons to Chronology. And I really wanted to give my perspective on this album as a brand strategist and why I believe that it's actually a very monumentous album. First things first, Chronixx as a brand is a sage. His entire platform has been about knowledge and wisdom and pursuit of truth. He's always sharing and enlightening people, right? That's the foundation of this conversation. The other thing I want to acknowledge is the fact that the Chronixx who made Chronology and the Chronixx who's giving us Exile now are at very different stages of their careers. And context will always matter when an artist produces any kind of project for us.
Hey, Mr. Chronixx drop an album there. It's like a Hiroshima bomb. The man drop on reggae, brother. Man give some deep roots rock reggae. Yeah, man. A long time Chronixx missing off I scene, you know. But the reason it's my day and I show me say watch a Chronixx go and meditate because Chronixx get a youth, you know. And when I listen to the album in a one I song, him say it without saying it. Man say I put the family first. Simple mean the man take time off. Figure take
Yes, my peeps, believe, Chronixx them have them fans out there. We're proud and loud, yes, always. And people them love him, and them are gonna love it tune. And who can slow down and feel the vibration, them are gonna feel the vibration. Yeah, man. So, we now compare it to the next one. The next one is a speed, is a going. Yes. Let's go to work thing. Yes, and this one is a different slow vibration. Let's say, kick back and listen to the truth and come back to reality. Boom, my people. If you like more like this, remember to subscribe and like and share. And tell me the on your mind. Now feel no way. Yeah, man. And thank you for checking out. Yes. Boom. Out of here. Yardman TV. News and entertainment. Catch up on another one. Boom.